Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Quadratic Equations. Now here we are going to do equations reducible to quadratic equations form. Now you have already done what is quadratic equation, how to solve the quadratic equation using either the factorization method, that is direct method, or if it is not factorizable or you are unable to factorize yourself, then in that case we can switch over to the second method, that is using formula, that is Sridhar Acharya formula. In both the cases you are getting two solutions as usual, and those solutions are called as roots of quadratic equations. Now in this topic which we are going to do, although you don't get any direct questions based on this topic, and as it is this year they have reduced from the syllabus this topic, but I am doing this topic because in many of the calculations we do require this solving part, hence you are required to know how to reduce any equation to the quadratic equation form. Now few of the types are mentioned here. I have taken from the exercise question number 3, that is it is exercise, I can write here 10. Now in the exercise you can see there are around 10 to 12 questions, but they are of different types, so I have taken first two types. Question number 3, you can see 10 to the power 10 into x to the power minus 2, negative power, minus 9 minus x to the power minus 4 equals to 0 is given. Now in this case it should strike to you that how to get it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So put x to the power minus 2 equals to t. Obviously x to the power minus 4 becomes t square, and then the equation is reduced to the form 10t minus 9 minus t square, and which is directly solvable. All of you know how to solve, middle terms split up, and t minus 1 into t minus 9, two factors are obtained. Now t equals to 1 is one solution, t equals to 9 is another solution for this quadratic. But your question is this, so be careful, you have to write the answer in form of x, don't leave it at t. So putting t equals to 1, you know that t was assumed to be x to the power minus 2. So in place of t, we can replace x to the power minus 2 equals to 1, and which is equivalent to 1 upon x square equals to 1. And if you simplify, you get x square equals to 1, and hence x is equals to plus minus 1 is your final answer for one part. And similarly, and actually if you see it here, it is a biquadratic equation, that is the power is 4, whether negative or positive. So that is why two solutions we are getting here. Now two more solutions we will get. Now can you see t minus 9 equals to 0 is another option. You put t equals to 9, x to the power minus 2 is equals to 9, and if you solve it further, 1 upon x square is equals to 9, and x square becomes equals to 1 upon 9, and hence x is equals to plus minus 1 by 3 is your final answer. I hope the solution is very clear to you, because as it is, there is not much of simplification required. Only thing is you have to learn how to do the substitution and do the correct substitution and simplification, so that equation becomes solvable and get the solutions. Now comes the next question, that is sixth question. Now in this question it is 3 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 3 square equals to 3 to the power 2x plus 3 plus 3 to the power x. Now you have to be very careful, children, because here x is occurring in power. So first and foremost, you should have the clear concept of power or the exponent so that you don't make any mistake while doing simplifications. Now can you see, I am putting 3 to the power x as t. Now this is very important here, and therefore automatically 3 to the power 2x becomes t square. And your equation is, now first term 3 to the power 2x will be t square, plus 1 means into 3. So 3t square is the first term. Just see how we are doing substitution and how we are reducing it to a proper form. Of course, 3 square is plus 9, so no confusion. Now next term equals to 3 to the power x into 3 cube, and 3 cube is 27. So this becomes 27t, and of course this is plus t. I hope this much is clear. Now 3t square minus 28t, 27t plus t will be 28. If you take it to the left side, minus 28t plus 9 equals to 0. This is how equation has been reduced to proper quadratic form. And now factorizing part is simple. Minus 27t minus t, of course you can write as the middle terms. Now take 3t common, t minus 9, minus 1 common, t minus 9 within bracket. You know that the bracket term should be same, then only it is completely factorized. You can take common. So 3t minus 1 into t minus 9 equals to 0 is your final factors. Now two options will come. One is 3t is equals to 1. Second one, t minus 9 equals to 0. So t is equals to 9. Now 3t is equals to 1 means 3t is equals to 1 by 3. And now t is actually 3 to the power x. I said you have to get the answer in terms of x. So 3 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power minus 1. And now bases are same. Power becomes equal, x equals to minus 1. Similarly here t minus 9 equals to 0. So t is equals to 9. 3 to the power x is equals to 3 square, implies x equals to 2. Hence these are the two solutions for x, that is x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 2 will be the final solution for the given quadratic equation. I hope the questions are very clear to you. Children, go through each and every step and try to get the concepts cleared, and then you may attempt similar questions of these types from the exercise and get it done.